Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for cybersecurity. Basically in this video, I will show you how to make ChatGPT check your own website script code and how to it will explain you how to make it vulnerable for getting hacked or something like that. So first of all guys, I will need you to grab your phone, PC or whatever device you have, and basically you have to go to the URL section and type OpenAI. Now here guys, I will need you to go here at the top of the page and click on try, and basically this page will be loading for you. Now what I need you to do is sign up, create your account, use email password, or you can just sign in using Gmail, Facebook or Twitter account. Right when you finish this process, you just have to go here into the chat and ask the chat whatever you'd like. So, for example, in our case, we will ask it, can you help me make my website scripts more secure? So, of course, now it will start giving us some examples on how we can make it stronger and more protected from getting hacks. So it will give us some tips. And now, if you have really a script of your website, because in my case, I don't really have a script. So in your case, if you have any script, you can just paste it in here and ask it to check it out. And if there is any something wrong or problem with it, it will reduce the things that can harm your website uh, in couple minutes. So basically if you type anything, or not even a couple minutes guys, because ChatGPT actually answers you in like couple seconds, so it will be like in 30 seconds it will solve all the problems that you have in your website. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use AI for cybersecurity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.